So green beans, good for digestion. Hold on, I'm gonna plate out here. There we go. Aids in digestion is good for your heart health, boost my immune system, and that's what I need. Like as the seasons change, we definitely like have to eat foods that are good for us, and you could catch a cold at any season. So just make sure that you guys are eating properly, mixing up your food, drinking all you need to drink. Ooh, wrong bowl. Ha. Wrong bowl, people. So let's see how else green beans can help us. Yeah, we've got vitamins A, C, K, folate for the ladies. Good for you. Magnesium, calcium. I need more calcium. I'm like, my bones are boning right now. So I've been looking at ways that I can add more calcium to my diet because I don't drink regular milk. I drink almond milk. So I'm always on the lookout for foods and nutritious goodness that can help me. Ooh, heart health, digestive health. There's fiber in this. So if you haven't eaten any green beans recently, get you some. What else am I cooking up? The onions and green peppers. Eye health. Digestive health. Nutrients. We've got vitamin A, lots of vitamin A. Show me where the calcium is. Have you guys been exercising, walking? I went running yesterday, and today my body was like, we need to rest. So I literally woke up at mangoes because they're so good and they're in season right now in the Caribbean. And so my body literally could not move today. So this is basically me reminding you guys that rest is so necessary and you should listen to your body when it says rest. Because yesterday was good. I was gung ho, up and about, and going. I don't know if you guys can see, zoom in a little bit. Onion, da da da. Yup. And whoa. Yeah. I broke the screen again. Ah! Can you guys see me? I don't know. No. Mm, it's a movie. Hi. Thanks for being here, Raimundo. My. Why? Let's see. Hey. So. Oh my God. I don't know what is going on here, but my phone, because I moved it a little bit, it says the orientation changed. So let me see if I can fix it while I'm here. Okay, but this is not the orientation I asked for. Y'all, cancel. Flip, not flip, flip again. Hmm. Oh, this is my most messy life ever. Hiya. Okay. Thank y'all for being here. I hope